Imagine a classroom where knowledge is not simply delivered, but minds are transformed. Teaching is far more than speaking in front of students. It is a dynamic process that shapes knowledge, skills, attitudes, values, and behavior, preparing individuals to become responsible members of society. Traditionally, teaching was viewed as the act of imparting instructions. The teacher was considered the sole source of knowledge, while students quietly listened, copied notes, and memorized information. Modern education has transformed this perspective. Today, teaching means helping learners understand, explore, discover, and apply knowledge. The teacher is no longer just an instructor, but a facilitator, mentor, and guide. The primary purpose of teaching is to help learners acquire knowledge, develop practical skills, cultivate positive attitudes, and learn meaningful ways of living in society. Teaching is a carefully planned process where the teacher, the learner, the curriculum, teaching methods, learning resources, and classroom environment work together to achieve predetermined educational goals. Effective teaching is psychological in nature. It considers the learner's age, interests, abilities, motivation, emotions, and individual differences before selecting appropriate teaching methods. In conclusion, teaching is not merely the transfer of information. It is a dynamic, systematic, psychological, and goal-oriented process that transforms learners into knowledgeable, skilled, responsible, and socially productive individuals. Teaching creates not only educated minds, but also better human beings.